Welcome to this video where you'll learn how to create accounts in eduFade. Navigate to the My Organization menu. Here you can view the details of your eduFade subscriptions. To add a new account, enter your colleague's or student's name and the first part of their email address. Next, select the second part of the email address and click the Invite button. An invitation email will be sent to your colleague or student, prompting them to create an eduFade account. They should click the Create Account button in the email, which will take them to the web for registration. There they can set a password, accept the terms of service and complete the process by clicking the Create Account button. Once the registration is complete, the account status will update to active.